Debtor 4 lakh, 6 lakh, increase of 2 lakh, 50%. Cash at bank 1 lakh 20, 1 lakh 60, increase of 40,000, 33.33%. First 2015, then you have to take 2016. So this is 15, this is 16, you have to compare. 1 lakh 75,000, 3 lakh 50, there was an increase of 1 lakh 75,000. 1 lakh 75,000 divided by 1 lakh 75,000, it is 100%. Hello my dear student, I am Dr. B.S. Subramanya, called by name Dr. B.S.S., Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidhyaashram First Grade College, a Temple of Excellence, MYSURU. In this session, I am going to hand Management Accounting 6th Semester BCom Unit 2, Session 1 in favor of Financial Statement Analysis and Interpretation. I am going to explain here. We are going to solve the practical problems, comparative balance sheet first, then common size balance sheet next, then trend values. What are the things? One is comparative balance sheet. They will give the two balance sheet. We have to compare one and second, then common size balance sheet, then trend values. We move with the problem now. Capital and liabilities, comparative balance sheet, share capital in the year 32 lakh, 40 lakh, reserve 4 lakh, 4 lakh 80,000, secured loan 1 lakh 20, 1 lakh 60, current liability, creditor 3 lakh 20, 4 lakh, bills payable 80,000, 40,000, totally 41 lakh 20,000, 50 lakh 80,000, fixed assets, building 16 lakh, 20 lakh, machinery 12 lakh, 16 lakh, current assets, stock 8 lakh, 7 lakh 20,000, debtor 4 lakh, 6 lakh, cash at bank 1 lakh 20, 1 lakh 60, totally 41 lakh 20,000. Now we have to compare one balance sheet with the other, increase or decrease. We'll move with the answer now. See that. So it was 32 lakh, it become 40 lakh, there was increase of 8 lakh percentage. 8 lakh divided by 32 lakh into 100. How we to do? 8 lakh divided by 32 lakh into 100. 80,000 divided by 4 lakh into 100. Percentage you have to take. 1 lakh 20, 1 lakh 60. Increase of 40,000. 40,000 divided by 1 lakh 20,000 into 100. 33.33. Then 3 lakh 20,000, 4 lakh. There was a decrease of here. Increase of 80,000. 80,000 divided by 3 lakh 20,000 into 100 is 25%. Now 80,000, 40 that's been decreased by 40,000. 40,000 divided by 80,000 100 is 50 minus 50%. 2022 is 41 lakh 20,000, 50 lakh 80,000. There was an increase of 9 lakh 60,000. Percentage work out 23.33% of total liability. Come back to asset. Fixed asset, this is tangible, building 16 lakh, 20 lakh, there is an increase of 4 lakh, it becomes 25%. Machinery, 12 lakh, 16 lakh, there is an increase of 4 lakh, 33.33%. Current asset stock, 8 lakh, 7 lakh 20,000, there is a decrease of 80,000, minus 10%. Debtor, 4 lakh, 6 lakh, increase of 2 lakh, 50%. Cash at bank, 1 lakh 20, 1 lakh 60, increase of 40,000, 33.33%. Totally 41 lakh 20,000, 50 lakh 80,000. There was an increase of 9 lakh 60,000. It shows 23.33%. So only increase or decrease you have to compare. Now, we'll move on to second problem. Following are the balance sheet of P Limited on 31st December 2015. Prepare the comparative balance sheet. So, shareholders fund, share capital 70 lakh. This is 2015, this is 2016. 52 lakh 50,000 becomes 70 lakh. 14 lakh become 10 lakh 50,000. 12 lakh 25 becomes 70 lakh 50,000. 8 lakh 75 become 14 lakh. Creditor 5 lakh 25 becomes 7 lakh. 1 lakh 75 becomes 3 lakh 50. So total is 1 crore 22 lakh 50,000, 94,000, 50,000. Fixed assets, tangible 70 lakh, 52 lakh 50,000. Intangible 21 lakh, 31 lakh 50,000. Current asset, inventory means stock 10 lakh 50, 14 lakh. This is 14 lakh. 10 lakh 50, 6 lakh 30, 9 lakh 80, 70,000, 70,000. So total 1 crore, 22 lakh 50,000, 94,000, 50,000. So we'll move on to second problem. So we are complete here. If you see that comparative balance sheets, the following the balance sheet of P Limited as 31st December, prepare a comparative balance sheet. First 2015, then you have to take 2016. So this is 15, this is 16, you have to compare. Come back here, shareholders fund, share capital, 52 lakh 50,000, 70 lakh. There was an increase of 17 lakh 50,000, 17 lakh 50,000 divided by 52 lakh 50 into 100, it is 33.33. 14 lakh, 10 lakh 50,000, there was a decrease of 3 lakh 50,000, 3 lakh 50 divided by 14 lakh into 100, 25%. Then 12 lakh 25,000, 17 lakh 50,000, there was an increase of 5 lakh 25,000, 5 lakh 25,000 divided by 12 lakh 25,000 into 100, 42.86, 5 lakh 25,000. Next come back, loan on mortgage, 8 lakh 75,000, 14 lakh, there was increase of 5 lakh 25,000. 5 lakh 25,000 divided by 8 lakh 75,000 into 100, 60%. Then current liability creditor, 5 lakh 25,000, 7 lakh, there was an increase of 1 lakh 75,000. 1 lakh 75,000 divided by 5 lakh 25 into 100 is 33.33%. Bills payable, 1 lakh 75,000, 3 lakh 50, there was an increase of 1 lakh 75,000. 1 lakh 75,000 divided by 1 lakh 75,000, it is 100%. So you have to compare, increase or decrease. Then come back, fixed asset, tangible. Tangible assets are land, building, machinery, furniture, motor car. Intangible assets are goodwill, patents and trademarks, patterns and design. Come here. Tangible asset 52 lakh, 70 lakh, there was increase of 17 lakh 50, 33.33%. Intangible asset 21 lakh, 31 lakh 50,000, there was an increase of 10 lakh 50, 50%. Then inventory means this is stock. Stock 14 lakh, 10 lakh 50, there's a decrease of 3 lakh 50,000, 25%. Then cash at bank 6 lakh 30,000, 9 lakh 80,000, there was an increase of 3 lakh 50, it works out 55.56. Cash in hand 70,000, 70,000, no increase, no decrease. So total it is 94 lakh 50,000, 1 crore 22 lakh 50,000, there was an increase of 28 lakh, so it works out 29.63. Next problem, same time. From the following data, prepare the comparative balance sheet. So here 2020, 2021, share capital 20 lakh becomes 25 lakh, reserve 2 lakh 50 becomes 3 lakh, long-term loan borrowed 75,000 becomes 1 lakh, bank loan taken 50,000 next year and it has been reduced, current liability 2 lakh, 2 lakh 50,000, fixed asset 17 lakh 50, 22 lakh 50,000, stock current asset 5 lakh, 4 lakh 50,000, debt are 2 lakh 50, 3 lakh 75,000, cash at bank 75,000, 1 lakh. Then capital and liabilities, share capital, answer 20 lakh, 25 lakh, there was increase of 5 lakh. So 5 lakh divided by 20 lakh into 100, 25%. Then reserve 2 lakh 50,000, 3 lakh 50,000, increase 50,000 divided by 2 lakh 50 is 20%. So bonus fund, if you add 22 lakh 50, if you add this 22 lakh 50,000, this is 28 lakh, this is 5 lakh 50,000. So 22 lakh 50,000, 28 lakh, there was an increase of 5 lakh 50,000. It works out 24.4%. This is bonus fund. Share capital reserve, always the bonus fund means equity share capital, preference share capital, and reserve and surplus. Loan on mortgage 75,000, 1 lakh, there was increase of 25,000, 25,000 divided by 75,000 into 100. Bank loan, previously it was 50,000, now it has been decreased to 25,000, minus 25,000 divided 50,000 into 100, minus 50%. Then current liabilities 2 lakh, 2,50,000. There was an increase of 50,000. 50,000 divided by 2 lakh into 100, 25%. Come back to assets. Fixed assets, land, building, machinery, furniture, motor car. Previously, it 17,50,000. Now it has increased to 22,50,000. There was an increase of 5 lakh, 28.57. Current assets, stock, 5 lakh, 4 lakh 50. There was a decrease of 50,000. 50,000 divided by 5 lakh into 100 is minus 10%. Debtor, 2 lakh 50,000, 3 lakh 77. Increase of 1 lakh 25,000. So increase of 1 lakh 25 divided by 2 lakh 15 to 100 is 50%. Cash at bank, 75,000, 1 lakh. There was increase of 25,000. 25 divided by 75 into 100 is 33.33%. The total is 25 lakh 75,000, 31 lakh 75,000, 6 lakh. There was an increase of 23.3%. Hope you understand. So we have solved the three problems of comparative balance sheet. How increase or decrease to the base. How much increase to the base? How much percentage? Once you take the liability side, then you have to take the current asset side, then compare comparative balance sheet. Now, in the next session, we are going to deal with the common size balance sheet. Other next session, we'll go to trend balance. Hope you understand. Very easy. It's only for 10 marks question. Definite question will come. Hope you understand. We'll meet in the next session with common size balance sheet. Till then, goodbye. Meet in the next session.